morning and hello. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the vlog. So today I have a large project, so I'm just gonna hop right in, obviously, like I'm doing. So I have this room. My bedroom's right there and the hallway just kind of leads to this room. And the issue is there's nothing in this room, so I'm redoing it today. That involves me putting together at least 3 pieces of IKEA furniture. Work, please. Wish me luck. Also, this is not the only shirt I own. I know I was wearing it in the last video. It's the first shirt I pulled out of my closet. I promise it's clean. These videos are not filmed anywhere near each other. So yeah, just to address that, because I do own other clothes. You know, I'm just gonna get into it. We're just gonna build some IKEA furniture together. Hopefully by the end of the day, this room will be put together and great, and let's just do it. Yeah! Alrighty. Also, I'm doing this alone, so don't do this at home, kids. This is heavier than it looks. Oh, shoot. Oh, I think I just like broke my back. Did I break something? I don't know. I don't know. Ah! Okay, we're just gonna leave that there. I'm already sweating. Fun fact of the day. Somebody literally paid for my Starbucks. This is my lunch, so I got a protein box. And I drive up to the thing and the lady was like, oh, the person in front of you paid for it. I was like, what? This is so nice. And so I tried to do it to the person behind me, but there was no one behind me. So, but it's fine. I hope I was supposed to do that. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. I got a yellow chair, if anyone's wondering what this is. I've had this furniture for like 2 months. And I just haven't, I don't even know. This is the cushion. We have our instructions. This is like my dream come true as a kid. So hot. Why is it so hot? Oh my god, what are these? Why are there 7 in here? I only needed 1. I'm so confused. Well, I guess I got extras. Wow. This goes in here. Now it's a table. It's a table now. And last but not least, we have this thing. I don't understand. This is a real pain in the butt. Ow. Broke my nail. Alright. So I think I'm going to do this one first. It's like a plant hanger, so you put it up and you hang plants on it. This one is called Riga. Alright. Okay, so I have to start with one of these. Oh god. Am I bleeding still? No.
This is that once in a lifetime.
this requires a sister sip. Can I get like sued for saying that? I don't think I've ever been prouder of myself in my entire life. Look at this beautiful, I made this. I had a mental breakdown that y'all didn't see, but I made it. We are starting with this. Oh, that's interesting. I'm taking these off. I mean, we might need them later, but you know what? Who cares? That might have been a mistake. It goes like this. Ah. Ah! Oh, yes, there we go. Yeah, that's a camera. Hi. Come here. Come here. That's a plant. Come here. Don't be a little... Okay, move out of my way if you're gonna... Move. Move. Alrighty. Finish those. Ooh. How is this? Work, please. I had like 5 mental breakdowns during that. I had to turn the camera off because I just couldn't deal with it. These armchairs, like the armrests of the chairs, couldn't get the screws in, and I was like, I wanted to cry. All the IKEA furniture was done. I did it in like 2 hours, so it's not even that bad. So that's great. Now I just have to like set up my the actual room, which I'm gonna do right now. Alrighty, so the room is done. Well, it's not completely done. I have a few finishing touches, like I need a throw blanket, a lamp, and I'm having my plants come in to hang. But for now, it is finished, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It didn't even take that long. It took about 3 hours to do all of it together. It took about 2 hours to do the furniture, and then 1 to just set everything up. Sorry for my appearance. So I guess I'll end this video here. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and if you want, you can click on my post. That's amazing. If you want more videos like these, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. It would mean a lot to me if you would, because I'm really like working hard to like try and get, my goal is 500 by the next year. Kind of sad goal, but it's my goal, and that's fine. So I will see y'all next time. Okay,